So, you've gone plant-based to stay healthy, good for you. But did you know some of the very foods you think are helping might actually be hurting your kidneys? Especially if you're over 45. In this video, we're diving into the silent mistakes that many health-conscious people make on a plant-based diet and how to avoid them. Plant protein overload. Let's start with protein, plant-based protein, to be exact. Beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts, all great, right? Absolutely. But here's the thing, too much protein, even from plants, can put extra pressure on your kidneys. Especially if you're over 45 or have conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Your body still has to process and filter the nitrogen waste from that protein. The oxalate trap. Now let's talk greens, spinach, beet leaves, Swiss chard. They're packed with nutrients, no doubt. But what most people don't realize is, they're also packed with oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds that, when combined with calcium in your body, can form kidney stones, and guess what? Calcium oxalate stones are the most common type out there. If you're over 45, and especially if you've had kidney stone symptoms in the past, like sudden sharp pain in the back, blood in the urine, or nausea, this matters. And here's where it gets tricky. You might be starting every morning with a green smoothie, spinach, almond milk, maybe a scoop of chia seeds. All high oxalate foods. On their own, they're not bad. But stacked together? It's like silently building a stone in your kidney, one sip at a time. So what can you do? Easy, rotate your greens. Mix in kale, romaine, or bok choy, which are lower in oxalates. Pair oxalate-rich foods with a source of calcium like fortified plant milk so the oxalate binds in your gut, not your kidneys. And most importantly, drink water. Hydration is key to keeping those tiny crystals from forming in the first place. With just a few small swaps, you can still enjoy your greens without sacrificing your kidney health. Nuts, healthy or harmful for your kidneys? Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, they're packed with protein, healthy fats, and they taste great. But here's a surprising fact: if you have aging kidneys or early signs of kidney disease, nuts may not be as innocent as they seem. Many nuts are high in phosphorus and oxalates. And when your kidneys can't get rid of excess phosphorus, it starts to build up in your blood, pulling calcium from your bones and even damaging your blood vessels. That's serious. Add in the oxalates, and now you've got a double whammy for kidney stone formation. It's especially easy to overdo. A handful here, a scoop of almond butter. There, maybe a trail mix snack later in the day. It adds up fast. If you're following a kidney disease diet, moderation matters. Instead of cutting them out entirely, you can choose kidney-friendly foods like unsalted peanuts, which are lower in phosphorus, or limit nut servings to just a few times a week. If you've already been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, talk to your doctor. They may suggest phosphate binders to help. Bottom line? Nuts can be part of a healthy diet, just not in excess. When it comes to food good for kidney health, balance always wins. Unbalanced plant-based diet, the silent risk. You've gone plant-based, no meat, no dairy, no eggs. That's a big commitment. But here's the question: are you covering all your nutritional bases? For many people over 45, the answer is, not really. Let's start with vitamin B12, essential for your nerves, brain, and blood cells. It's almost only found in animal products. If you don't supplement, you might develop fatigue, memory issues, or even anemia, symptoms that also overlap with kidney disease. Then there's iron and zinc, both harder to absorb from plant sources. Without enough, your immune system takes a hit, and oxygen doesn't circulate properly. But one of the biggest overlooked dangers? Potassium overload. Many staples of a plant-based diet: bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach are loaded with potassium. And when your kidneys aren't filtering as well, too much potassium can lead to dangerous heart rhythms, even cardiac arrest. So what's the fix? Work with a dietitian. Choose low potassium vegetables. You may not have full control over the course of chronic kidney disease, but you absolutely can control what you put into your body each day. Through nutrition therapy, you can slow the progression of kidney failure, reduce complications, and maintain stable blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Most importantly, you'll notice one clear benefit: when your body feels lighter, your mind feels calmer. Remember, your health isn't just in your doctor's hands, it's right there on your plate. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to follow us for more practical videos on CKD management and healthy living.